Today we're going to talk about the 5 top foods that help prevent cancer. Not sure you know by now that all of us have a cancer cell, but depending on what we eat, that can help them grow or shrink. Food is medicine, but how often do we really take this serious? The most recent research has shown that food is the leading cause of death in America. This is because 60% of the food is ultra processed. That's not leaving out the 67% of our children's food is also ultra processed. The number one food to include in your diet is the wild berries. So as you can see, blueberries have shown that if you eat at least 2 cups, two servings per week, it will reduce the cancer by 25%. This is only eating the berries at least twice a week. So you can have a variety. 1 cup a day is all you need. The reason behind it is because it contains phytonutrients that helps shrink the cancer cells. The second one is the purple sweet potatoes. I never knew about these potatoes until I read Eat to Beat Disease. If you can see here, this is the book, Eat to Beat Disease. This book has changed my life. So it usually shows you what is needed and each the food we eat every day and why you need it and what are the nutrients in there and what is helping you prevent, whether it's shrinking the cancer cell or if it's preventing from having insulin resistance and so forth. So the purple sweet potatoes, if you can do it every day, that is the best way to go. So the purple sweet potatoes, they contain anthocyanins, which turn off the cancer cell. So that's the main reason why they're able to do what they're supposed to. So include this in your diet. The third type of food to include in your diet is the cruciferins. As you can see here, we have the cauliflowers, broccoli, cabbage, and also the Brussels sprout. So my recommendation is to include at least 1 or 2 cruciferous vegetables in your diet. They all contain different nutrients, especially the myrosinase. So these help you prevent cancers. So whether you use the broccoli, the cauliflower, or the purple one, or the white ones, so those usually will help shrink those cancer cells that you may have. And I know it's not easy and most people don't like vegetables, but you can choose in the cruciferous vegetables and you figure out which food you'll be able to introduce in your diet daily to help you prevent cancers. It is preferable to eat them raw if you can, but if not, just steam it. And the fourth one is the beans. I know the black beans mainly because, of course, you can see the color. They also contain phytonutrients. So why beans? Beans have a lot of fibers and it reduces cancer by 22%. The problem is that 90% of the population don't eat fiber. So that are the issues that we have. And I know with beans, most people are worried about gas, but if you want to prevent that, it's good to soak it, you rinse it, and then the refinol that is in will get away through the soaking and rinsing, and you'll be able to eat your beans without having to worry about gas. And lastly, kiwi is the food that you need to introduce in your diet. The reason behind it is because kiwi help the DNA to reduce the oxidative stress. And they also help with sleep as well as digestion. We are supposed to have a bowel movement at least after each meal. Lastly, edamame is one of the food that not only help reduce breast cancer by 25%, but we also have reduces the hot flashes by 88%. So, and it has also been shown to help with libido, also help prevent prostate and lung cancer.